Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we have a Magic at Your Door unboxing. I feel like I haven't done one of these since last year. I know we're just in the month of March, but I haven't done one of these since last year. I've had to put them on hold because if you haven't seen, we went to Japan. So this is me after Japan, and we were saving. So even though it's only $125 a month, that $125 can really add up, especially when we are planning a huge trip like that. So I did have to put it on hold, but I did get a Magic at Your Door for the month of November so I could get Christmas stuff, and I got a Magic at Your Door for the month of March because I wanted birthday stuff. So yeah, and then it's gonna go back on hold until pretty much Christmas time or again, because again we have a lot of trips that we're trying to plan and create, and that all requires crazy budgeting. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. You're not here to hear my life out. So I did cut the box open just because I'm really awful at opening boxes. And we're just gonna get through it. Like, it's been a while. I forgot how to do one of these unboxings. So let's just get to it. So first thing I see is Magic at Your Door. It says happy birthday to me. From your friends at Magic at Your Door. Now make a wish and do as dreamers do, and all your wishes will come true. Very, very cute. I have one from last year too. It also has this. It's not a cheat sheet, so don't be afraid to look at it. It has nothing to do with your box. It's just giving you some information, free Disney parks pickups. Oh, I didn't know that. That's kind of nice. I'm guessing that's new. Again, I haven't opened one of these boxes in a really long time. It has a color coding, so if you get ears or keychains or pins, you can see like the color codes. Any Walt Disney World like merch, you can see confetti, priceless. And then it talks about reviewing your account preferences. I believe you have to do it before the 5th of every month. And then you can always add specific items to your wish list. I do like Magic at Your Door because yes, it's a surprise, but a lot of it also comes from your preference sheet. So it's like a surprise, but 30% surprise. Okay, so the first thing is, what is this? Okay, okay. Let's start with this first. So it looks like I got one of the 50th coins. This is a surprise, yes. So you can see that it is Genie on there. It says 50. It's kind of roughed up. Like it's gone through some love. And then in the front you can see it's Mickey and it says 50 Disney World anniversary. Well, I don't know, this is anniversary. The world's most magical celebration. So yeah, so this is actually part of this sheet, and it looks like the Walt Disney World 50th coin is $3.75. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I never know how to show these. How do you show these? Because I also have like the pressed penny ones, and I never know how to show them. Okay, the next thing we have, let's just do this little package because the other thing is like in the middle of the little fuzzles. Okay, so if I got the golden ticket, it would be in here. I've never gotten a golden ticket, ever. You do get a golden bag for your subscription. So I got a key. It looks like Fantasia key. I will probably end up trading this one out. I don't mind the keys or the kingpins, but I just don't collect them. And I feel like if I start now, it's just gonna become like, you know, a thing that I have to collect all of them. And I see this at the outlets very often that I'm like, I could start collecting them, but I really do not need a whole other pin collection. So but this one's really cute, and it says $12.99 on the back, and that's the price for it. And then there's paper here, and I don't know if there's anything in it, so let's see what's in here. Oh, earrings! Oh, for the month of March. That makes sense. So for your birthday, usually they include, like, I think I have some earrings from like 2 years ago. And then I believe I got a necklace last year. And then this year, I got a different pair of earrings. I actually like this pair of earrings. I can see myself wearing these very often. They look like the earrings I wear all the time. But as you can see, it's like the blue for my birthday, like the gemstone. And then they're like, they open and close from here. It says March on there. It comes with like, this is like a little baggie technically. How cute is that? But yeah, they definitely look like earrings that I usually wear. So very excited about this. This has been my favorite item so far. And I couldn't tell you the price on these. Maybe 15, 17? Okay, and then we're moving on to the bag. And I say the bag because it's been popping out at me since I opened this box. But the foozles are like fighting against me. And I really don't want to drop them because Marcy's back home. She's been with Grandma since we've been in Japan. And she's back and she's been exploring way more than she usually does. I think she's just trying to see if like anybody has, you know, been in her territory. Okay. I did not get all the foozles. And I'm sure you can know, oh, look at the straps. Okay, hold on. I'm sure you have already seen this. But it is the Dr. Facilier backpack. And look at him. This is from my preference list. I think this is the first thing off of my preference list. So it's the Dr. Facilier right there. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, this is stunning. And then here you have the 3 cards where he was like telling the future. And then they switched to the cards logo and then back at it. This is very, very neat. It's such a neat backpack. I love Dr. Facilier. He's one of my favorites. You can see that there's like different color blockings here. There's like the purple on the Loungefly, and then pink and purples. And then look at the straps. I didn't know the straps looked like this. It looks like the little underground is gonna come and get you. Oh, and then it has Facilier in the back. Oh, he looks evil. Yeah, this is a stunning bag. I have a lot of Halloween bags. Not that this one needs to be a Halloween bag. I feel like Villains is its own thing, so you can wear it at any time. But I was thinking of wearing it maybe for Oogie Boogie Bash because he's there at the one in Disneyland, and I think he would like his own bag, right? He just seems like somebody who would really like getting his own bag. But anyway, so excited for this, and it's a Loungefly, so of course it's somewhere in the 70s, 80s. Yep, it says $85 on there. And then inside, always look inside because they always throw more things in there. Oh no, the foozles! Well, it has ears! These also come from my preference. I have a lot of ears. Y'all, my channel went from having no ears, no pins, to having too many ears and too many pins. Whew, okay. But it is these Walt Disney World ears. You know what? These are going to be perfect for the event we're going. So we decided not to go to the Star Wars event because we went last year, and instead we're going to do the 50s 60s throwback event, and this would be perfect for that because they look throwbacky, right? Like they look like they're like a blast from the past. Yes, these were definitely in my preference list. I just liked how they looked. It's like this like plastic, that's why you can see the ring light on there, and it has Mickey's, and then there's Mickey there in the front, and then that's what the back looks like. Very, very cute. I can totally see myself wearing these in a month from now, so very excited. And I think that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and add everything up, and then we'll come back and do totals. All right, so I came back, I added it up. It took me longer than usual. I'm a little bit rough at this. But so this was 85, and also I forgot to notice, but when you open it, look at that. How terrifying. It is so terrifying. I think I prefer it like this, but this shocks me. And then I also didn't show you the inside, but the inside is just like very light. His symbol on there, and there is a pocket in there. But anyways, so I added this and everything else up, and it ended up being around $145, which is what I pay. So you get your money back, and obviously it's stuff that you like, it's your preferences, and then there's a couple of tailored things for you that are part of, you know, surprises. My favorite thing was my bag. My favorite. And then my favorite surprise thing was the earrings because they're very like me. I like silver, I like hoopy, and it has my little gemstone. So yeah, what was your favorite thing? Have you thought of subscribing? Do you have any questions I can answer for you? And yeah, this is great. It's always so sad when I have to put it on hold because I love opening them. It's like you get a gift randomly in the year, but we just have these plans, and now that the world is opening up again, we're like, okay, we really need to settle down and like budget. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see all of those vlogs. Like I said, we just came back from Japan, and I'm crazy editing all of those videos right now so they can be out and fast for y'all. And it's free to you, and you can see whenever I have a video out if you do a little bell thing. But yeah, I hope you have a magical day, and until next time.